everyone. So that a parabolic sine of z can be given by natural logarithm of z plus square root of z squared plus 1. So to do that, we start by letting. So we are going to let our w to be equivalent to a parabolic sine inverse of z. You multiply by sine inverse both sides so that or you multiply by a parabolic sine of z in both sides so that you get your z is equal to a parabolic sine of w by multiplying by a parabolic sine of sine both sides. We are going to obtain this. Step number 2. So step number 1, you multiply by a parabolic sine both sides so that this side will be left with the z by rules of indices. Next, we write a parabolic sine of w in the form of Euler's formula, which will be exponential w minus exponential negative w divided by 2. Then you multiply both sides by 2 so that you get 2z is equal to exponential w minus negative exponential w. You take 2z both on this other side so that you get exponential w minus 2z minus exponential w is equal to 0. I have taken these 2z on the right hand side. Then you multiply by exponential w so that here you have exponential 2w minus 2z exponential w minus 1, which is equal to 0. When you look clearly at this expression here, this is a quadratic equation whereby our a is equal to 1, our b is equal to negative 2z, and our c is equal to negative 1. So we are going to solve our exponential w whereby we apply quadratic formula and we are going to obtain the following. B squared, when you square this, you will have 4. Z squared, you have minus and minus, so you will have plus 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2z plus or minus 2 into bracket z squared plus 1 over 2 by 2 z plus square root of z squared plus 1. So exponential w is equal to that. We take natural logarithm both sides so that now you have w is equal to z plus square root of z squared plus 1. But we are let w to be equal to a parabolic sine inverse of z. So it follows that a parabolic sine inverse of z is equal to natural logarithm of z plus z squared square root, and that is the end of the proof. You can also do the following to show that a parabolic cos inverse of z is equal to natural logarithm of z plus square root of z squared minus 1. Kindly show that you can attempt it and let me know your feedback. Also remember to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss a single video which I upload for us every day. Also at your time, find the derivative of a parabolic cos inverse of z. Find out that the result is the one I have provided for you here. Also find out that derivative of a parabolic inverse of z, the result is 1 divided by square root of that. So do that at your own time. Also, you can attempt this, that the result is hyperbolic cos inverse of z, and also integral of z squared plus 1. The result is hyperbolic sine inverse of z. In case you face any difficulty on tackling this situation, kindly tune on to my YouTube channel so that I may show you how you can easily get the derivative. Bye bye, see you in the next presentation.